I'm Christen Conley. In the world, there is a large amount of water. Oceans take up 97.41% of the world, and 2.59% of water is ice caps, groundwater, lakes, soil moisture, rivers, and atmospheric water vapor. Most of the water is used by toilet, shower faucet, and washing clothes. This water comes from the 332.5 million cubic miles of water that surfaces Earth. And now to Natassia for a continuous story on our water.
And I'm here to talk to you about a very serious issue. That issue is water. Today, our water is constantly polluted by oil and other things. Oceans hold 97.14% of all water, but it is salty. Only about 0.014% of all water is readily accessible fresh waters for humans. Today, as you know, South Sudan is having problems with water. Some Sudanese people have to walk miles just to get to water, and it's not fresh. It's polluted. Help us rebuild South Sudan. Back to you, Christen.
Hi, my name is Ishana, Euring, and I am here to inform you about the uses of water. 1 gallon of oil can pollute 1 million gallons of water. The use of water is very different by each country because each country uses water for different reasons. Here in the United States, we use water to drink, to wash up with, to brush our teeth, to do a million other different things. But in countries like Sudan, where water is very limited, they would do anything to have what we have. In Sudan, there's a very low supply of water, and the water that is there is very unsafe to the people in their villages. But we can help. We can help rebuild hope for Sudan by helping them rebuild and build new wells. This will help provide clean drinking water to the people of the villages. So please, join us, the class of 2013 at Gwendolyn Brook, to rebuild hope for Sudan. Thank you. Here's a trailer my friends and I made on South Sudan. I hope you enjoy it.